Welcome to our Walmart Sparkathon submission. In response to the theme Creating a Sustainable Future, we present a real time, production ready digital twin carbon emissions monitoring dashboard, a working solution designed to track, analyze, and actively reduce emissions across Walmart global operations. This dashboard integrates live emissions data from diverse sources, including carbon tracking API, weather services, warehouse IoT sensors, truck telemetry, and grid status to create a complete real time digital replica of Walmart carbon footprint. With live update every 3 seconds, we continuously monitor warehouse energy usage, fleet performance, and HVAC efficiency. Intelligent alerts notify Walmart of CO2 spikes, threshold breaches, or green rerouting opportunities. The dashboard is fully functional, scalable, and deployable. At a glance, the dashboard shows real-time metrics like total daily emissions, which is 13 tons, 12.4 tons of CO2, then supply chain efficiency, which is currently at 90.7%, transport emissions, which is at 7.5 tons of CO2, and monthly target 93.4% achieved. Live supply chain flow maps reveal regional emissions and opportunities. For example, AI is recommending that switching to LASF ride to rail, cutting emissions by up to 40%. The system also tracks emissions, trend, carbon intensity per product, and offers AI-driven recommendations like sourcing regionally or installing solar, which together could reduce emissions by 5.8 tons or 44%. Finally, a smart alert engine flags live issues like efficiency drop below 85%, prompting immediate action. This keeps operations optimized and environmentally conscious. Now let's walk through the architecture that powers this system, from data ingestion to the user interface. At the top of the flow, the system begins with external API. These provide live data on emission, weather, grid energy mix, and transport fleet metrics. This is combined with real-time polling, fetching, updating data every 3 seconds from external services. Parallel to that, IoT streams supply telemetry data from warehouse system, logistic fleets, and store energy meters through WebSocket feeds. Health checks and connection monitoring ensure that all components are online and functioning correctly. All these inputs converge in the core processing engine where the data aggregator merges, validates, and processes the incoming streams to calculate precise carbon emissions. The business logic module runs intelligent systems from threshold checks to predictive analytics, generating timely alerts and insights. Finally, the processed data is pushed to a front-end dashboard and mobile app interface. Here, Walmart can view a real-time emission map, a supply chain activity overview, receive smart alerts, and track progress against sustainability targets, all in a clean, responsive UI. In a summary, this system transforms raw emissions data into clear, actionable insights, helping Walmart take meaningful steps toward clean climate responsibility and operational sustainability. Thank you.